Hi there, here is another dish from Brazil, and this is specifically from the northeast of Brazil, and it's cooked with some flaked corn flour, and we put some filling. I am put some dry meat that I cooked for about 30 minutes or until soft. If you want to see how I make my dry meat, you can look the last video that we made in this channel. Our meat is already cooked, but I will share it, and I will put some onion, garlic, and some green onions, and you take to a pan with some butter, and you cook a little bit more just to cook the veggies and give more flavor to our meat. Remember that this meat has already some salt, so don't add any salt until the end of the cooking process, so you can decide if this is tasting good for you. Here you have our meat and our veggies, and you put this in a pan with some butter and let it cook for 2 minutes or so. Now let's prepare our couscous. You need 1 cup of pre-cooked flaked corn flour. You can find that in Brazilian supermarket if you have some nearby you, or you can buy online. You need 1 teaspoon of salt and half a cup of water. If you want more consistency to your couscous, you can add 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour. Now let's add half a cup of water, and you can see our couscous is very moist, and we'll keep it this way, and we'll cover it with some cloth and let it rest for 10 minutes. To make this couscous, we will need some steamer. Here you have a steamer typical from Brazil, that we have it from Brazil, and it's small, and it looks like a cup, and we'll put some water on the bottom, and you put our couscous, then you put some meat and some cheese and cover it with couscous again. Since this pan is small, and our couscous will be small as well, and it will be cooked in 5 minutes. After, you can see the smoke coming out of the lid of a pan. When it's done, put some butter on the top of it and serve. I like to eat it with some egg and some coffee. Basically, this dish is just couscous and butter, but we always like to add some filling to add more flavor and give us some protein in the morning. So you can be creative in making any filling that you like it. You have, guys, a very simple dish and gluten-free. And if you like this video, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you.